Say, come, Scout. Say it again. Say it louder. And get him. Yeah, give him the treat. Okay. Go back over to the TV. Okay, say, come, Scout. It's okay. Say, tell the Scout. Say, come, Scout. Good job. Okay, now make him sit. No, Emily, here. Here's another bite. Okay, this time hold it up like this and say, sit, okay? Yeah, it's okay. Hold it up. Remember, Emily, hold it up high and make him sit, okay? Say, come, Scout. Are you watching Dora? Emily, say, come, Scout. I know you're watching Dora. Say, come, Scout. No, you gotta say it to Scout. No, don't give it to him until he sits. Hold it up. Say, sit. Say, sit. No, don't give it to him until... There you go. Now give it to him. Now give it to him, Emily. Good job. Okay, Emily, now put it on the ground. Watch. Emily. Yep, put it on the ground. Say, lay down. Well, can I try one more time? Yeah, he did lay down. Okay, this time hold it up and say, sit right here. Hold it up right here. Sit. No, hold it up. Hold it up. Emily, hold it up. Stand up. Okay, say sit. Good job. Now give it to him. One more. This is the last one. This time I want you to hold it down to the ground and say lay down, okay? Okay, go over to him. Hold it down to the ground. Down to the ground, all the way down. Say lay down. Good boy, Scout.